Title: The Science Behind the Perfect Cup of Coffee. Intro. Hi there, coffee lovers. Today, we're diving into the science behind what makes the perfect cup of coffee. Whether you're a seasoned barista or just a coffee enthusiast, there are a few key factors that can make all the difference in the taste and quality of your morning brew. Section 1. Grinding your coffee beans. The first step in making the perfect cup of coffee is to start with the right grind. Coarse grounds are best for cold brew, while fine grounds are best for espresso. Medium grounds are ideal for most other brewing methods. Why? The size of the grind affects the surface area exposed to water, which determines how quickly the coffee is extracted. Section 2. Water temperature. The temperature of your water also plays a crucial role in the taste of your coffee. The ideal brewing temperature is between 195 degrees Fahrenheit and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. If the water is too hot, it can burn the coffee, while water that is too cold won't extract enough flavor. Section 3. Brew time. Next, it's important to consider the brew time. This refers to the amount of time the water is in contact with the coffee grounds. A longer brew time can result in a stronger, more bitter cup of coffee, while a shorter brew time will result in a weaker, sweeter cup. Section 4. The ratio of coffee to water. Finally, the ratio of coffee to water is another important factor in making the perfect cup of coffee. The standard ratio is 1:15, meaning for every 1 gram of coffee, you'll need 15 milliliters of water. However, this ratio can vary based on your personal taste preferences. Outro. And there you have it, the science behind the perfect cup of coffee. By paying attention to these key factors, you can elevate your coffee game and enjoy a delicious cup every time. Happy brewing!